Oh yes, I dey salute all my country people dem. Today the number 4 day inside the month of February 2021. We on a countryman dey come live today for talk with country people. So my country people dem, as una join una countryman Junior Okana Sewe Clovis, press your share button so that it go reach for many people dem. Yes. I title this my message say a response to this frustrated fool wey call yourself say Paul Nilon. First of all, I wan make am make you understand say me I no dey respond na for you dey Paul Nilon. No. I dey wan use the word for educate my brothers dem. Yes, that is why I come live because I wan use that word for educate my people. For make my people make dem know the simple truth by your own word. So as you dey join me, press your share button. Oh yes, press your share button so that it will go a long way. Many people them they will press share. So and before one start anything, we will go for our beautiful anthem, our lovely national anthem. Then before we start talk. Okay, I thank una very much, my country people them. As una join una countryman today, the number 4 day inside the month of February 2021, una press una share button so that it will go viral and it will reach many people as possible. Oh yes, before I go for the message and proper, I would like to touch one or two things for make my people that make them understand which way it go on. Yes, I will start talk with the our African Championship. We don't pass, we wanna see them. We don't go onward for more than 2 weeks. We tell us if we talk say the one stop ball no go hold for inside Ambazonian, ground zero, blah blah blah. But ball hole inside Limbe, they play more than close to 7 match inside Limbe. The ball don't be for more than 2 weeks, if I not do mistake. Oh yes, what's that they be go? That one to show you how stupid, how dull, how frustrated really food they be. They don't get anything for tell una. So it shows everything, everything they work out smoothly. They make kind noise. That only that match alone it shows everything. War no the Cameroon because war zone no man no fit pass. And everything they get them. All the other countries that when they come inside this country, they see the facility, they will get them the good hotels, the roads them, the security, the professionalism for the security for the military force where they give them for them. They feel at home, they go to hospital. On a basis of one player, so one of those country gets an injury, they carry go hospital. He get a good despite the challenge we'll get them for this pandemic, the coronavirus. Talk about economic sabotage, but I say everything will go out well because if any country get economic sabotage, if it host a championship like that, so when I feel say and say automatically everything go on well, and you, the person listening to me, you go understand say wetin this thing na business, not just noise. So that one don't be clear for everybody. It don't prove a point. It don't make ambassador say it just make na only empty noise. So press your share button. Many people they ask me a question, say Clovis, what did it happen for DDR Clovis? First of all, I want to make you understand very well. I need be worker for DDR. I'm not working for DDR. I'm an ex-combatant like everybody. Oh yes, I get equal right, they all them for there. But the difference in I say me at the same put my face out there for tell my brother the truth, for sacrifice for them, for put my life at stake, no matter anything, for say may they save their own life. That is why you see me. I never ever one day put someone in own face where you know want them because I know which way they because me I don't decide. So I want make a more understand say waiting that demonstration will go out the 1st February, the Monday day. It bring out some very good point. Therefore, you, the Amber boy, therefore, Buji call me, they ask me, say, Clovey, wait till it happen, blah, 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 blah. You be a very stupid young man because ask yourself, That place where you did, na just matter of time, they go wipe you and you not get time. But I want just enlighten you for educate you. Say, I want you, may you see the difference between you where you don't give up and you where you hold the gun for your hand. The difference is clear. When I look at very well, my country people there. First of all, Amazon told activity goes down there for every Monday. The boy they come on for OJ. Because now we come on OJ for Monday day. Good. It is shows say if it goes down be day, no man no for go block road because who go use the road? No man. So when they be go block down, the motor be the pass. Which is waiting. The road be there busy to prove their point. Our second point, I say waiting. It shows they not have a prison. Because if they go prison, don't forget that access to come out. So they can life for good. Can't do that thing then. Now, when you were Amber Boy with for Butch, I want me to see some small difference. Big difference and small difference. One, they block that road, waiting happen. Military come for them now. Police, gendarme, army come for them now. They all said, "What's now governor now?" When I don't watch them live, not to hide them. When I don't watch them live. Collegian come for they say no, they want to talk to governor. Governor come. I want to say Amber Boy for if you talk to say governor, governor come. You see the difference. Number two, they stand for that road. Police guard them. You like Amber Boy, I bet you. Just go block road for 2 minutes. May you see what to go happen for you with that gun. They go wipe you to him. But you know why? You know if you touch that boy there because you know what? There is a consequences for you for touch an ex-combatant where you don't give up. You must be questionable when you touch it. You show the government don't give them the amnesty. Then after that, what it happened, you know, make up to 2-3 days. The head of government, the prime minister, intervene for tell their problem. The only problem I say waiting, DDR not being hungry. If not chop now, I swear to God, we need to talk about people. Monitor the drink na tea. I swear to God. Monitor na tea. The chop for DDR, no be government, they go buy them. They give na the ex-combatant them money, their boss, their SP, where the nominator say the bill in their general. Now they go buy that chop in the market. Now them they cook their chop. They get timetable. Feeding timetable. Today they chop gari, tomorrow they chop cocoa, the next day they chop this. That is the bitter truth. The only problem I don't talk about is now the duration of time being for the center is over long for reintegration. The process of reintegration over slow. And the second for this thing are reintegration. As you move people, because not overtook population people they come now every blessed their life. So don't be that the boy their problem, be a problem with everybody. Me, I don't talk about the life because the only problem now reintegration. But thank God to the head of state, the government don't see what you do with them. So that one for you for make and say wait, me, I don't get I don't get plenty to talk. Most of them don't message me for behind. And if she don't be quiet, I say, I'll come live so that may go viral for everybody to understand. You na see if you want to talk and say waiting, no be na feeding, no be na anything. Look at picking their skin, their face, their attitude. Look them very well. Everybody suffer. Look me. They fit very well. They get freedom. They do get go any place they want go. Because if a man don't get freedom, if you go block road. Now first thing that you Amber Boy think very well. You need to talk about it away there for bush. Think fine. Save your life. These people don't understand the thing way. So I know over elaborate points of the enough make them understand very well. I know they on that. Oh yes. And then I just get something where the worrying way. Many people they call me. Plenty airlines they call me, some chiefs them talk can talk say Clovis, you have to talk this that. But today I want to come out for tell una say waiting, for put you some sense for your head. If you get your point of view, go ahead, create your own platform. You talk, you say tell your people. Not tell me you be parliament, you be mayor, you be this that. You the one me I talk for your behalf. You pay me how much? Oh yes, you pay me how much? I don't work for you. Oh yes, this one is show how incompetent most of our leaders will be. Yes, most of them don't even know their job. Because you like a chief mayor, when you get leadership, you like good airline. There are airlines in the inside village where they respect them past even chief. Oh yes. You go and create a platform, talk to the people, sensitize them. Don't tell me. I do my own part. You pay me how much? I did work for you. Okay, one man work for you, cut the salary, maybe you will put the position, me and you the same. You don't I need to work for you. That one to show how incompetent we'll be for our position inside the country. But I don't say when everybody work, a real work for the position when they put it, I bet you will make a paradise on earth. Will make heaven for earth. And this thing called ambassador terrorism, now just a twinkle of an eye. You know, we hear nothing about if everybody work a real work. It's a parable. You will listen, you listen. There are many of them, they how they make their money. But I want to say the process of this thing is reintegration. As people they come out, that is how people they come enter. Many people they know say the secret to solve this thing at through DDR. That is why most of the people did the sabotage and every day. So I know one over talk much on that. Then I get wait I want wrap up. I go wrap up with wait will happen for this place buy cooker. I go wrap up with them for a lot of people then. But now I go straight to the message proper for Paul Nilong and then the responder for Paul Nilong. I do want use a word for educate my brothers them. Now when I go listen, I go play the videos them where they have for me for tell Paul Nilong say it be my picking and it be him mate. Oh yes. Before he want talk with me, may go check sense fine. It be my picking. You know if you compare me for nothing. Oh yes. So press your share button to me reach with you in a small boy. And I talk and do. Now this thing for you then we go talk. Yeah. So that was sent. I use my own message for sensitize the both of them. As I talk for you now, my people, they might tell now. I get many ababos that they watch me live. They are not called their name because you know why? Most of them will feel free or they will feel some way. You understand? But they watch me every day. That is the reality. Because I'm a friend, I know their account now, so they watch me. Plenty of them. As they come live and watch me, they sing that for my phone. Neither they watch me. Yes. And wait to be make me and maybe don't go live for the few times and because of sale and maybe get phone. My phone will be worry me when I feel Sam. Now my new phone, you will see me 90s. My phone is what I use am eh. They don't see am now. A new phone. So my phone will get little problem. I be see am. Now my pa, a new one. When I feel see am very well. It's a new phone. Oh yes. So anytime from now, I will see me every day in match fire. That is why. So me I go straight for the message proper today. When I say I'm listening for this one first. Oh yes. Show them, go for your TDR center. All time I fix them for day, my name for day, Paul don't do this, Paul don't go up. Now my time for tell you say you be dying man. Oh yes. That's with your gang. When we die people. Oh yeah. Don't become that liability. They be used. Okay, good and fine, my country people. It talks already. It come and say Nasiri. Oh yes. Because I create impact. If I don't forget no, I don't create no impact. The fool of you come my name. Yes. First I want make you more understand and say wait. Paul Nilong first call my name. It talks say go drink my blood, me and Nambere. We not small picking because we understand say DDR they do a fantastic job. We country people we do a marvelous job because we did on ground. We the element that emptiness lead them. We don't defeat them. That is why I do want a frustration. Oh yes, he said DDR say be diamond blah blah blah. Listen to me, I tell you something. Me, I tell you wait. I did live a life of bonus. Oh yes, the same thing I go die, but I don't want. That's why they cry today. They understand say the secret for Amber na Amber. When you see it be irrelevant, it no get use. When me I dey for here now I talk, I create more impact more than that shit no white last. Because wait, me, their boy listen to me every day because they are brothers. I be their brother. They know if you ignore me. That's a bitter truth. But Paul Nilong know very well seriously. As that boy see my face, I did put sense for their hate. They come on bush every day. So when the one check say wrong than Nigeria, before he check sense come back, that's a bitter truth. So now frustration, the worry. He said, Didi and a prison. I want to ask una, a prison at the go block road. Now I to ask una self. You like I'm listening to me, mommy, papa. Prison at the go block road, government road. What's that you pass? No, what's that you pass? What's that you pass? If anybody be done with prison, they be suffer. How they claim to the suffer? Why that access where you get them for Komogo block that totally carry thing there? Why they take a wrong? Oh yes, it's a question to ask yourself. You know that like we were facing all side. People don't even know. You forgot you because you say wait, they want proof a point. You show the body don't change. We don't change one piece. That is why people drop. I mean, I tell you something. Any post you don't drop, you got it for TD asset, and I'm supposed to appreciate that person because it takes a heart of a lion to do that. Not being a granite. If you're easy, all man for don't drop it gun. It's not easy for 5 man that they shoot on yourself, in the kunkumai to kunkumai, and then you put yourself, you go back, you go check your hand for up so you no fear. It takes the heart of a lion. That person is a hero. Supposed to celebrate him? Oh yes! Yes! It takes the heart of lion, and that heart of lion, they give them, when they take that challenge, people that they can come out. So if I see fool anyone, they understand very well. That is why they call her name. So when I ask myself that question, say if in a prison that they go block road, the answer no be no. Oh yes, prison that they voted the cast off. You be who know you don't pass now. So that's a point as a question. Ask yourself. I'll go for the second one. My country people are the local one way they don't employ like lobbyist for do it for fight and
endorse us, for portray for other people, weak-minded people say this. So this Amazonian thing, now Facebook revolution, now this. Now when they kill their own people, you need to say it. When they kill one force, you see when a republic commit atrocity like how we do for Mautu, like how we do for this thing, that for picking there for Bamenda, you don't go see my country people put up. You don't go see put up. Because na contract, na businessman, my country people na contractor, my tell una. No that one first. Now the biggest contractor that way, he supervise. But you know, Clovis you don't go see 5 francs. Remember tell you, he lives in diaspora. If he come down for Grand Zero, why he work out Amoka? Why? Ask you say, why he work again? Passport, again, where he can anytime, you going back anytime.
Oh yes.
But you feel work out where Amoka.
Yes.
You know, different people, they don't see small with a passport.
Oh, good.
ID card them.
Oh yes.
So, when I be your helpless go there, I don't want to go. Helpless go there, want to
Oh, I beg sorry say I don't laugh because I'm fool. Oh yes, he talk about say countryman, the camp work of Amoka, blah blah blah. My country people, they made me tell you something. And then the countryman no ever for his life message me. May I repeat this one I know very, very well. Countryman no ever message me. When I be given for the dirty, I come for center, they be tell me say they'll do me that. They say, okay, if they will to true, I be the fear say they'll kukuma. I think what I don't do. You know easy, my brother. You just shoot and I'm shoot you. You can't give yourself, my brother. No, not granite. You know easy. No easy. Now tell you what I meant begin the fear. Oh yes. I take that lion heart. One of my picking there will come out. He tell me, say, repeat, I say, yes. Say, command, I say, yes. He say, I believe in you. I say, yes, we'll go. He say, my life there for your hand. I say, yes, we'll go. He say, my life there for your hand. I say, no problem. I say, Petit Frere, even now, say, we'll go end up, we'll go for, we'll surrender. We'll work on me, back, we'll reach for Boya. We'll pass all the procedure, we'll reach. We'll come for center. I can see different things. Totally for what people they tell me every day. I can't shoot down and wrap my hand. I say, why people they like what they're picking them every day? Now from there, I be getting many information. When I be give up my country people, and listen good. This terrorism for diaspora, most of this mediator, I will show you pictures just one more time. He talks here, you not finish with me, they don't die because I know plenty. Say, person let me know that sabotage for them for me for stay alive. People start finding me, women they find them. And they for black and white for check for the drink my beer, my own brother, when they see me, say, where my brother, thank God for you, to see you, they send people for my back. When I be told I see they picking them up, tap them before the one. Me, look at me, Sam, me, I say a secret for this thing that Amber to Amber, I say that. I see Njaka, they when I picking, they will not get the manual carrier. I just turn go over the bar, tap them too. Say Petit Frere. You see they shake, say, hey, I tell them I'm in the police that, but I know set una up. But one more I go change because one people. I know how to do activism. And that's like a countryman. I tell them so I go back, go tell them people tell them so no, me I pass on a level. And I see when I not know nothing. When I go pass that information. When I know what you are doing for that place, it right. And they say it destroy Amazonian terrorism inside that mountain lie on them. Oh yes. They go back and talk say they meet on me fast and far, but they know when do they food one. But me I tell them say me they go back, me they check sense their own life. I for fit call army they take them for day. But they go back. You know what happened? You know me how many days that boy they pack and overdraw. They come chakara. They start ask themselves questions that come for their head. Because that was a strategy what we use. When I should enter the center, so they as I get many information on them, I find countryman can be able to be able to see the bush. Tell the bitter truth. And no one ever see and know him. I find a number for one person within an SP for DDR Center Buya. They call it a Bako Solomon. Oh yes. Now my grandfriend. We start talking me, I used to tell, I began many things. They call me, tell me, so one person they will become for you, say, what are the look you get mind, you get heart, and then even inside the fight, you do not think the way me, I don't know a person for age, which is the way to, even inside the fight, you're a boss for me, where you know many things, and now the kind of thing they feel, I say, yes, and the call, do they call me, this little I will show me, more than how many people in my phone, they call me every day. So it tell me, say, one of you call the man, give that information, I say, okay, no problem, I start call country, man. Now from there, take countryman access say papa until they make audio on my phone and send out for your phone. Now from me, I take number message before talk. I say papa, my people they suffer every day. I want to help my brother because those guys see the simple truth and the light. before I decide. Countryman buy me that phone as a one brother for Kumba. We know me fine. We'll be the live broadcast. Countryman the live broadcast. They talk for phone, and then even know me countryman they will live broadcast. Oh yes. He gear the point. He buy that phone. They send that phone for DTR Center Boya. Who create that page DTR Cameroon. Now me start that page from the beginning to today. Oh yes. Countryman don't message me. I need to work for Countryman. When I say Countryman, they chop money. I know say 5 francs. I want to ask you now before Countryman. Before me, I want to give up for the fight. Countryman will do activism. If they do another answer now yes. If he sign the contract now for me and he. Now himself, I can't meet up. He do activism. As just say you do a fine thing. And look, I say true. If he do the thing, if he help people, that is why I do not want to cry every day because I create impact more than you. That is a bitter truth. And Paul Nilong, maybe I tell you something. I pass you 100 times. Maybe I tell you, if Amazon I will get independent. Now me, I will give you that independent. You know why? Because now me carry that gun. You don't do it if Amazonian. If you tell me one sacrifice, you don't do it. A fool. I pass you for all level. You be normal jobless man for Germany. You drive a taxi. Even if I see drive taxi inside Cameroon, you're okay, I still pass you Paul Nilong. You are not ashamed of yourself. See for your buy house where they stay. The Nakarabot and Zing. You say Germany. Your boy is super every day for down here. You don't feel better their life. Sometimes they go send a land for selling for abroad. You come up, go over there, make your mob. So, no, some non-entity, some fool, some riffraff, some Nikompo. Who are you? You say you go with book. Where are you see a book for yourself? You are a jobless, stupid man. Now, whether we join Amber, you realize when you join Amber, you will get money for people, their contribution, for you to feed yourself. You don't feel pay your rent, you don't feel work. Oh, yes. But maybe I tell you something. Me, I did for that place, I give 2 years, Paul Nilong. You see structure that will put down. You see where me I go do for people, and I still pass you. For activism, I pass you. Watch the live broadcast. Instead, after I finish the live broadcast for the next four hours. Yes, or next to the something minute. You see how many views. Then watch your own for 1 week if you compare me. You are a fool. You be small boy. Oh yes. You talk about Countryman. Me, I talk again more. Talk about Countryman. Countryman is work of Amoka. Me, I told the repeated truth again with today. Countryman come for here to Cameroon here. August, the August way pass on the same. If they Cameroon here. We go Bamenda. When he be there for your hotel room, he call me say Clovis. I say, yeah, pa. He say, one more na go Bamenda. I say, okay, no problem. Or the one go motor cam now pick up American Hilux. Pick up. No ammo car, but let me go point the did you ask about that call up in the hotel now? No ammo car, no military convoy, nothing. But you want to say ammo car no that's a repair. He say yes. I said if I did very fight with me, I be doing I did very fight with me, I know I'm A to Z. Repair na noise. He said I said repair me, I tell you na noise. Not you know I said na noise. The long much I said go enter. Pass through Santa Road, that road on Chakara, for that, or pass to for that control for night. So they break because they stop all motor. We want motor break for day. We walk out for that place. I don't digest small hotel on the same story. We walk over the day break for morning time before you go motor they enter Bamenda for night. They block up for that Babancho, that east and west north region. That control for day. They low hold auto. So they break. We even talk all things na procedure. I say repair her. It means say that me I lack to understand. I say this so as you get talking about permit for government, don't leave but no, they follow the rules and regulations for that place. But they break before come off for that to kick enter Bamenda. As you enter or do live broadcast. What did they ask Bamenda Countryman no way no marks. There's no one who mask Countryman. You know where no marks. We did the center live, they begin to see very well. Or do live broadcast at the center. When I remain most of the day, when I be same body go block room. Tell them live broadcast Bamenda who come over tell your boss. There for some control that for down. I know what I'm doing Bamenda fine. You cannot be my first time I go see mommy born me. I never ever go me Northwest. Then my first time I go Bamenda. That's a bitter truth. I didn't lie me. I talk my truth. I never ever go me. I come out with the chop. He say one buy because my like so yeah. My turn. I like so he say petit you don't understand. That's so I did for here. He give me money. I go buy soya, buy water. I buy soya for 2,000. Ele for that play. All right for that play. They buy soya that carry full. And I teach junction, I wait junction. They see me, they recognize the Clovis. I say, hey, but they price were tired from Motero boss. I buy that so me and the Oshidon for day, with my brother then. All that population, all day for day. Now young brother than me, will start chop, will feel free, will be for that place close to 3 hours. Oh yes! It be rich for any person for make call, say we for Bamenda. That's the biggest black load. Now be do it. Who pass back directly for that road. My country no fly, no convoy, nothing. Oh yes. Maybe I tell you, what when I do I say one spoil my relationship with Kono, so when me and Conchima get problem, we no fit when I say when me and Conchima the work, it destroy Amazona and all we. But you see me, I need to ask for no reward for anybody. I need to ask nothing for Cameroon government. Yes, that's a bitter truth. I need to ask nothing, but I get one obligation where she done down. My responsibility for tell my brother the simple to put there for front. Oh yes. And any man wey say they pay me for it what they do am, una get contribute my number, I'll send am for you. You too call say what do activism, maybe to do am, may pay you. If you feel that they pay you. If they pay contribute, what will happen? Now when you work, we don't work. Contribute start do activism before Cameroon government know, you know. The answer na yes. He come out for the country when. He no get it all for the country. He grow na for breathing. He goes for breathing, get everything for breathing. Everything we get to achieve for breathing, no get nothing for here. So you know even know how Cameroon constitution if you work. Now we the struggle for learn. You don't get nothing. That's a bitter truth. Oh yes. So pon long. Maybe I tell you and tell the woman I know very well. That one not concern me. But you see me, I create more impact past you. But you see me, I did out to destroy this thing. Any beginner drop, you go me at the drop. Now listen good. I need the dead man. I come. More go again. We don't get time. We don't get time. So I don't now everybody don't understand very well which way it is. So countryman and my pa, there is no amount of investigation will investigate me for me and you to be a problem. You don't owe me nothing. I don't owe you nothing. You need to sign agreement with me. That means I decide to do that of my people. That is why anytime I decide I don't want to do them again, that's my choice. That's a bitter truth. So you can never spoil our relationship between me and you will never stop me. Integration the come now. All will come on up there. I will still stand for destroy now. At the come. That person at this thing. Me, I go for the next video.
Clovis Nasiri, Kawa Yannick,
Oh yes.
Nambere, and then mention that other guy from this thing. You betray your own people for a piece of bread.
Okay. Yes, very beautiful question. He called my name. He said Clovis, Nambere, Kawa Yannick, Ateson Bertus, my brother Bertus, my senior man. When they do activism, man tell that the simple truth. The secret for this thing now when Amber they do activism, they destroy everything. Oh yes. Yes, it talk of Kawa Yannick. No, not forget, these very people, them, I'm going to listen to me, I listen very well. On a pressure button, it talks, they talk, say, Kawa Yannick. When they be called for inside America, for that very United Nations every day, they call Chris Anu, Secretary General of Communication for the so-called Amazonian government, Facebook government. It talks waiting. Say Kawa Yannick been an ambassador, been a Cameroon B where they use it for propaganda. That lie. But today, when the asset say Kawa Yannick been an ambassador. Look at it show how stupid, how frustrated the fool they be. Now see the reality to happen. They be denied say Kawa Yannick ne be Amber. One on the conference say, poor Amber Kawa Yannick been an Amber because wait, they be one the food picking them, they remember bush, they die every day. Ask yourself the Amber, but wait, pass Pony Long for no target that very gun. Pony Long say they betray people. One ask Pony Long, who sacrifice you don't ever do them. This thing normally be sign contract. I don't give them. I want me to pass through Nigeria, come for ground. So you can carry them a very AKD for ground. Can't take them. Pony Long, why you need to come say Clovis? Come on, can't Germany, maybe I come for ground, can't take your place. Ask yourself, Amber boy there. You know if it ever come, when I see this stupid man waste now for Nigeria, for Nigeria, he say he be minister, wait of defense. He go back for Nigeria now. He go back for Europe now. He say me una come back for that kind of fight. Wait to be so special for una Amber boy them for the fight for ground, but they don't can fight. So you got to ask yourself that question because una stupid and una dull. You know the game. Well, yes. I be fight for una. Give me how much? How much? I lay my life for una. You will get independent and me, I will give her for una. We will give her for una. But today, una do it. Una she don't chop that money. But you boya. Una sell me to go finish with. The better one say wait, no like when Amber Boy they alive. When they shoot Amber Boy, I'll catch you on that video so for that other time. Una see that injury. They revert because be liability for them. But that way they shoot to the Congo match, they grab because they make money for your head. That's a bitter truth. Oh yes. They will look for the next person where it be capable. That's why the difference when I go Nigeria because when I go Nigeria, I'll be frustrated. I don't get chop for chop. You see, convince una because when I look vibrant and agile. You see, they fit for una food them for put you on a more that can't die. See that one the way they get injury for they don't do it to me. They forget about it. He cry. I can't on the video. Now watch now. He cry. Since 2018 to now, they forget about it. They on the toxicity. Yeah. I dey come again. I want play this video. After the last fight, I go play as one thing. So una fit see how they stupid. They know say we will create more impact. I'm not telling something. If you need to create impact, nobody no go ever call your name. The only reason people they call our name, they pull we every day because they know say we will stand for our brother their behalf. Me I told na Amba boy, we na survivors. We na only hero. We're supposed to respect one another. We're supposed to look we for all kind good eye because we will not help us. Maybe I told the bitter truth. They call our name Nambere and the rest because they know very well, you know, just our presence they make gain. But they make that noise. And they talk, it happen. Oh yes, and they forget and they go all place. They drop every day. It make noise, it make noise. I pass it for all level. We will pass it for all level. Because as it make noise, me and the talk, and go for go take them. They come out every day because we create more impact. The best thing I fish and show any Amber boy and say, drop your go your amnesty. That's the bitter truth. Oh yes, that's the bitter truth. So I go for the next audio. So sorry, I'll go for the next.
To my people in TTR.
Oh yes.
Nasiri Clovis, I'm calling your name because you always call my name.
Oh yes.
You write about me. Nasiri Clovis, Nambere. There's another Adembe.
Attention, Betus.
Kawa Yami.
Oh yes.
I want to tell you people something. Nothing has changed.
Everything don't change. Oh yes. Everything don't change. Mama just play the other one so that more talk again.
Yeah. All that people, the way they for back, they support now. All that my country people will gang.
Oh yes.
The blood of Ambazonia will pursue you people. I know I relate that for our family. All that enabler the way they did for Grand Zero. All that enabler they did for diaspora. Man, there the blood of Ambazonians when they fight for justice. Which you know very well. Say these people they fight now for justice. When if tomorrow this independent happen, you go dance first for Buya, but you fight against them today. For una enablers, any man we for Grand Zero. When it do all your best now for destroy this revolution. The blood of that 7 picking for my dinner for head. The blood of this 4 young picking for Bamenda is there for head. The blood of that 11 and 20 when don't kill for Mautu is there for head. Man, tell una no go sleep until we get this independence. Until we get this independence, we no go sleep. Man, tell una. Man, and my country people now die, man. That one says it already says so for them.
Oh yeah.
My country people not be human being. So, my own case will come on success. Then all the human being.
See, my country people them. They say no. If someone don't pass to carry it back, the only thing I say people know for say my country people that they sacred for everything. You understand? He talk of say poor innocent people there. Maybe I tell now. Mawe do that nonsense for Kumba. They don't catch one man, I don't see him very well. Now I don't call your name for you. Now 3 terrorists go do that work. Carl. Oh yes. Now Carl they go work that work. That's the bitter truth. You did talk say innocent blood. Me I tell you something. The very thing happen for my house. We see how the ADF fools them. They go make propaganda. They shoot them. Make army retaliate. That's in a stray bullet when the people start talk rubbish. See the terrorists, he fool, he make noise. He talk of say those 6 our ID. Come on, show us something. I know first of all they boya presently. See my ID card is. See. Make me I tell you, when I feel say Madame Evelyn the same with that money will make that occasion for we money. Now for people, we get free life to take everything. I want to show us something. And let evidence. When I see this thing on a DHL this. Now you say no. I like evidence. They talk with the lele. No, I say no. I don't say good. Now for them to go take phone and say for if anything for one man country. When I say now custom this is now my name that. Now don't say no. Now custom look at that for open say no. Sign Cameroon na that. My name that. Na that. Where it means say I actually go with my ID card. I go take a 9 this now. So one this. I be so I say say 9 this. This is it. Now say no. Na that. I like with evidence. Na that. Where I will go DHL office. We go take that phone then. Where they send out for America. Where Mount Zion send out control. But send out for me. When I check saying how I get access to everything. I get everything. I be normal business with anybody. Oh yes, people they wait until the real country man. The one of my country people they wait December. Now be send some small for Christmas. Say Clovis take down thing up. Yeah, it's not outside. True. MoneyGram, I go take am because I get access. I get my ID card. Listen, see the ID card. I want to digress more. You see, I have put Amber Boy there. See this ID card, no be to that make. I don't say no. He don't stay. Maybe I tell you the bitter truth. When they start to say cut ID card, I can start building ideas. Maybe the pen tab cut them again. But they bonbon their ID card them. I should know sometime. So my one person comes to Clovis. No, you don't burn your ID card. I say no, say no try burn am. I say why? I say no burn am, just keep am. Say petit frère, you go Nigeria now. He said when they hold you for Watana, may you show your ID card, you show it. I be get ID card and voters card. The voters card laws. As I put the ID card in my pocket, you go battlefield time. Sam, God, he there for my skin because I don't know anytime they burn any play day. They can't burn over close them. We didn't get nothing. So if you do my pocket, say any day I die, they come to my pocket. If he lost, he lost. They don't know burn his ass because any play they need to enter, they wipe out because we did for the play come to city. But get on the second day. I be using the ID card in my pocket and go my present. Then they fool the way they burn their ID card. Go to confire the same man, maybe do because basically my man. But today night I say, if they see the future, that's a thing they have. I say, today I don't burn my ID card. How will you do it? I will stop for make different one. Oh yes, I get ID card. I don't show you no porn long. You dey make noise, talk about kind thing, a couple people their name. You be small boy. Countryman no be even your mate for nothing for life. If you know countryman, you know ever call your name for 1 minute. Me, I know countryman. I don't see na my boss. I'm not going to ask yourself a question. My boss, when I call a countryman, it's my boss. Yes. I greet I work with yes. I be countryman junior. I be the beast smallest black like after he. No, don't fit do waiting. Una fit do waiting. Amber no fit do nothing. Amber small for my front. Oh yes. I go die for the day where God talks. Say, oh man go die. No man will live forever. Me I tell you the bitter truth. So una over small, they mean an empty noise. Countryman come and do waiting. Me, I don't see face to face. We don't talk to Saloma. No, no, see the video them. We take Saloma hand, we shake him. I want to ask you, the Amber boys, you don't ever say, come and say, who's there for your life? You never Saloma you hand. You don't ever see enter to who's here. You never see the fool who's here. Paul long, I want to ask you, you like Amazon, come for Dan, come fight. I challenge you, yeah, man. If you want to talk with me next time, me, I challenge you. I challenge you all now for diaspora. Any man we know say it's strong, eh? That's so my country people. Any man we know say it's strong, eh? Make come for gang, eh? Carry that gun. If you like, anyone will like Ambassador, I don't say Amber, but I say, when I ask now, anyone will like this thing, make come for guy, carry that gun. You not fit, you make empty mob. Look at you, empty last like you. You are a compo, you are a fool. I tell you, I get hard past you. If you get independent, no day, because I'm not again for gram. Yes, you know day. That's the bitter truth. I get more impact past you. If you get nation, welcome to the world, ask my opinion, me, Clovis. Because you know why? You know if he asks you because they never do nothing. You never ever carry gun. They go ask Nambere opinion. They go ask Kawai Yannick opinion. They go ask Betty's opinion. They go ask the rest of the city center, Jouer and the rest their opinion because we now come in the evil. I be pass and password for the things. I don't fear nothing to tell you. I get my amnesty. That's why I use my amnesty the right way to put my face out there to help my people. So anyone get amnesty, why she don't quite concern her? You don't concern me? Oh yes, you don't concern me. That's a bitter truth. I don't seek for anything. Yes. Now to say who the public figure, we not target now, but we not small. But after all you make them, I'm about to surrender that every person there. So pony long, I challenge you. If you are a man, come for ground zero. Don't make empty noise. If you who fool are you? If you who stand and find a gun. When they put me, you stand on my face, talk my front. To two more face fact, all now for diaspora. They pull now fast and fast with me. Now we talk to this no. Now look at me. Now they make an empty mob. See, you know if them to shut up my pony for my front, face to face. If you fit now, come for ground zero, can't challenge me. Yes, can't challenge me. You are a man. You are a fool. And I want to tell you, I be eager for everyone of diaspora and be activism now. One of ABC, SCBC, or now one of the call down I think them one brutal weighty. I be one for can lie because we challenge. Una count on 5 because one man will fit. Una count on 5 for me, one corner was small. Maybe I ask una question. Amber boys, me, I want to say no. If you be people, they do not two thing, they do not reality no. Me, I challenge them for whole life because for any time, any day when they want me to tell me, I'll be live with them. We'll do Zoom TV anytime. More talk ourselves. Oh, in a fight, no, we claim the line, but no. Nikon pull. Now go look for another job. You don't fail. Ma play the last one. Then I turn on.
Some person be confused about topic. This is my topic today. Address DDR because they don't over. She don't talk my name.
Well, yes.
I wait to come off aside when they come off.
Yes, you might tell us something about DDR. DDR not the highest solution for this Ambazonan terrorism. Meaning that the simple truth. Now what they can say, they don't ever stop for attack DDR. That is the bitter truth. Oh yes. Because they not find say Didi another solution. When you drop, you get your amnesty, they reintegrate you. Even the reintegration process don't slow down. But thank God to the government, they do something about it. I don't say Cameroon, no one ever get the kind of thing. So they still struggle for learn many things. And then they work for them. But that one is in that way there. So that is our own cry. Now the only problem that would cry, the reintegration process. Everybody get a freedom. They will ever attack Didi as so they because Didi are the solution for this thing. They will ever attack we, the ex-combatant. When ex-combatant do activism, it get more influence past them. Maybe I tell now, on ground on social media, I pass them. When I talk, some of me listen to me pass Paul, because waiting, I be there with ye, they carry that nonsense. I be there for people that see me every day, see picking the carry tell me now what happen. I want to ask you a question. If it's some mommy see me, I talk with you, Paul, talk with you, now for me now. So my people, the black, they want to press share button. When I do a marvelous job. So when I see the food them, I sorry them. Only that very day upon them make that noise, I get fight away, call me. Yes, I know I release and now I get that I can live, but come out here a conversation with you. Paul Elon talks to the key innocent people. Me I show that it happen for Ekumbe. Me I show that it happen for Ekumbe. Yes, I want just show an example. Me I like to deal with exhibit. Yes, I like exhibit very badly. I know they talk like them. Then a noise maker. A noise maker, a small picking. Me I show that Ekumbe. More a year wait to happen for Ekumbe. Me I remind 2019. Me I remind them. No, you see me, I keep archives. Oh yes. Me I remind them. Me I play the video for them. Me I play the video for them. For when I'm on a year, I just pray say I never delete that video. Okay, good. Now the video this one, watch am. See am. Now the now. I know I play called that boy today. Now listen now.
Close and back. We're not doing no close. We're not doing no close. I said, maybe let's see what's ready. I just don't know. Let's see what's ready. Okay. Just stand up. Let's stand up. Who is it? Who is it? I do not understand. Who is it? You're different level now. Now, I'm about to get killed. None of you. None of you. We're not going to go more than. We're not going to go more
We don't kill ourselves. Yes. Okay. Maybe I tell you that the terrorists wey call himself Sam, they go kunkumize one man for Ekumbe. They go kunkumize one person for Ekumbe wey na some grand frère. Yes. And then the other person will ask a question. You know what they happen? They take knife. They took key. So they sleep like that. Mommy they cry. We don't dey kill ourselves for. Nothing that happen for ground zero because we would there for gun. I want to ask you say, mommy, papa, who dey kill who? You dey fight for who, but you dey fight for who? Who are you fighting for? You dey fight for waiting. Which freedom? You dey fight waiting. Are you a freedom fighter or a terrorist? You are a terrorist, young man. Drop that rubbish. Now in that Fekombe, what did they happen? They kill themselves. They go kill people there for no good reason. Don't I talk like fight terrorist, like fight on. You know I hide waiting. Me I do with exhibit and fact. Now in that. Oh yes. Paul, you hear them? Maybe I no Sam. Paul, first of all, the food of the hospital never ever see Amber with their eyes since they born them. They only mean on social media. But NKP the person because you don't see Amber, you go salute the one. You don't salute me. Oh yes. This is my big brother Kawayani. Oh yes, they continue themselves. Yes, because they understand. That's why my tell you, Madam, when see Kawayani, appreciate Kawayani. Yes. Me, I tell you something. Appreciate it very well. I'm not appreciating that concern. Oh yes, you know what appreciate it when it be drop it gone. He stand like a man for put his face out there. By who? Countryman. Oh yes, even me today now by the power of countryman, you see me today. Because all that be looking at that be get things that exist. No. How do you know me today? Not true countryman. That's a bitter truth. I don't fit change the fact. Without you know for know me. Yes. And even though we get the heart and the anxiety for helping people, that's why we appreciate Kawayani go put his face out there as the first person to ever do actively like ex-combatant. Appreciate you for that. It's not easy. You know what to do? You know the impact we create. If you don't know me, I tell you today, it create enough impact. That one day we put your face out there for tell you the truth. Any that put my face out there create more impact. I tell you. Yeah, more than 15 of them, they call me that every day. Any day I put my face out there, it get more impact. Because I did move, I did transform I'm about their life now every seconds, every minute. They cannot ignore me. Yes. From 009, they already work with Nigeria. Una come up for that rubbish. Oh yes, na seven alive. Me I tell you, you might those one I like you for once. You know why? Me I tell you, certain of those okay, they watch me already. 009, I tell you I like you. You know I like you. Now because of say the man way you get some small calculation for your head. Yes. When father they die for that, they cry. You said you regret it. Where now me I go start this already picking. They said they die every day for ground. You dey feel am, but you know what you go do am for you for save that picking up for Nigeria. So you're a very very wicked man. Let me I tell you, I challenge you, your brother. Come on for that thing. Do the number. Do like us. Come on for that thing. Come for them. No, I guarantee you, amnesty. No man no go touch the grain for your hand. When you come for down, that picking will come off for bush, you live for bush. As far as they Nigeria, they will finish that auto fit. Make me attend all the wrong for Nigeria. You people should do the best thing. Una come out. If you look at today, it get better impact for Bamuso site. That is my village. What Balondo so Balondo picking sample sam. What you don't have to man show now. The whole Bamuso subdivision no get no one amber for inside. The boy I talk and announce the day they go village. They talk and they for village. They go, mommy they cast every day say, una border na high. They say no, that man dey you. Because you know why? I'm very busy man. And they have to destroy. Tell mommy they say now. As far as they go there, they ask me, did they see me? They picking they go die. Man, just show an exhibit. I talk with exhibit when I say, I need to make noise. I'm a big boy, so porn along I'm a picking. When I see small picking there, so the one can they talk with papa there. I just look at my time. I just when I bear with me, when I press on a share button, when I bear with me, when I bear with me, I believe say I get that picture for here. Oh when I press on a share button, oh. That picture on my other phone. Oh yeah, so they snap all them. They don't even watch as how they come off bush all them. I say no one eye, no day again. The body they go village every day. They go enjoy themselves, live their good life, enjoy with their family them because they are free. I talk to you now, so why they go village, they go. I think my village, I go sleep and snore because of the hard work. Oh yes, because of the hard work. Maybe I learn to come out every day because of the hard work. That is the bitter truth. Yes, because of the hard work. No be as until way. So man they talk say blah blah blah, this other kind of thing them because of the hard work. So poor Nilong and small picking. That is the bit. When I don't watch that video, I don't show now. Who did the end who did the compromise who? I'm an terrorism, my people, my country people them. I just come out for you to came my brother and say 009 we talk for you. Oh now, you my brother. Forget to be chop my money way. Food that person say more go do popcorn. This small bomb the way they put us in explode to you, my brother. Oh now they for day. Yes. Prosper, Odogu. Una save una life, not make more because wait. Odogu me I tell una, they come for me life because about una. Any my mommy bonny fine. Me I tell una for una year and for my take about una. Any my mommy bonny fine. Any amber. Funzan and me back and control. Yeah, hear me fine. Yeah, hear me fine. Back and control. I need to beg you. If you not drop him, drop you. I never ever tell someone say me go compromise someone. But at the time the simple truth for this secret. Me I tell una, if you strong, go back with so. Me at the count AK-47 for your back. The man. Look me fine. Now club is the talk. AKA the Don. Virus. Commander. Commander that's why I know what I did. Now ask me, I know what I talk. And if that kind of 5 franc about that backside picking the pass backside. They call Gala people. My foot stand for ground. Just the fact that they do activism, it shows what we do for bush. It show the kind of heart of the carrier. Oh yes. So when I be picking, yes, I thank you very much. Me and I start ending live broadcast. Me I got enlighten my people them wait to be happen for buy cooking. Wait I be telling wait to happen. That buy cooking this way they under I don't get the point of view. Upon you long list you don't understand Sabia pa. For next time, want to talk about me. Now you first start call my name, I don't ever call your name. I pass you because you know fit ignore country people. That's what I talk about you every day. DDR is the solution for the Ambazonian madness. More concentrate on disarmament and reintegration. Because the disarm and reintegrate the process is slow. You may tell now, oh yes. If you disarm, reintegration, the delay, the process will stay. As a reintegration, the fast. Now so people they come. Oh yes. Because the longevity of time, you need the water. Most of people they body they get people, they get woman. Many people they misquote we talk about. I saw people go right up about DDR. Now amber full level look at like security. Maybe I turn or something. The simple two say now, if we fight get this to country, all man for glad. Oh yes. If we never concentrate for disarmament, nothing no fit work. That's the bitter truth. Yes. You want to talk reconstruction? Mais reconstruction if you go for Libya, if you go for Bamuso, if you go to Petty side of Hunzian, you know if you go up Pleasant because I'm going to for bush. We must disarm all the beginning to tell them the truth before reconstruction of before any man feel free and peace will come automatically. You know if you talk of peace, you know what disarm. You want to call peace out. We both carry gun for bush. You begin with AK with under talk of peace out. Me I dey up for destroy Ambazonian terrorism. When I be asked question close, you want to become for him I tell na plan be dey. I be there on mission to destroy Ambazonian terrorism. My mission, my aim, na for save my brother life by destroying the Ambazonian terrorism. That is my mission, and I need the mixed word, and I mean am for the back. Oh yes, before one drop down, I already destroy na off. Wait till again. Yes, by Kuke, then under as I be talk, I digress more for light one and go end the live broadcast. That's my last topic I'll talk and before I end. By Kuke, they under Mbonge subdivision. Mbonge na one of the biggest subdivisions in Cameroon. Oh yes, and Mbonge get most of the big villages inside Mbonge subdivision. And that by Kuke they so that a village they under Mbonge subdivision. I want to enter by Kuke. When you enter Mbonge, you pass through this side for Kombe, you must pass through Bamuso subdivision like Kombe Lyongo, you enter by Est, you enter by Kuke. If it be like for justice na kind 1,000, you know, over far, but the road not too fine, the road don't spoil. Oh yes, that bridge where they leak Mbonge, that Meme bridge, because the Meme bridge, now I'm about to be burn that bridge. Oh yes, the build local build now very well, the road concrete and make away this thing them, this strong iron them, we know if you burn and motor, but they go John. So that village, so that Amada will be controlled by Spirito. The Spirito Fufue Bakundu, the terrorist Spirito. The Batibo Pikin, who yeah, it be as now for a village. He take money. Maybe I tell now. The country people that for buy they run tire. I don't know what happen. We don't know about that one. And listen good. Money there for the thing. Una yeah. Buy can contribute close to 40 million francs CFA. Francs, not be naira. Only buy can Fue Bakundu contribute. Other places for corner. Other places they get money for go time. So they ride for Boko Society, ride for Lueni, them other side, and so all recognize it now. So because that amount all and so we look at it all. They contribute million. Only buy can contribute close to 40 million. They give Spirit to say make you go buy gun and bullet. If say many papa they contribute, say they need to support the so-called terrorism. The papa they be look at going to be brainwash, maybe understand most of the. I don't say communication not the best thing. That is why I say Cameroon gets 0% in communication. When you fail in communication, you fail your people. That time you make your country to be a dead country. That is the bitter truth. That time anybody go outside going lack communication. But when a communication they for pass out for the people, they educate them and they bring them back to life. When the people they contribute that money, they give Spirito 40 million francs CFA. Say go buy gun and bullet for can't fight. Spirito carry that money, go Nigeria, go chop life. All those they go to enjoy themselves. Yes. So when they go no come back again, they go to chop their life. Now he can look out there, he come back on Nigeria, no buy no one eye gun, no one eye bullet. Una pick the story. He come back. Papa don't I say no, they catch it for water, they take all thing. Now they ever story that they ever catch it for water, they take all thing. That's really lie. Say they catch it for water, they take all thing. Okay. Now when Spirito, they control that money get Spirito now look at okay, we know the people is acting some way. He come out, he puts on one guy. He say be colonel. So riffraff, where if he hear gun for he run. He say be colonel. That guy there for that village, he to make his own contribution. Mommy, he give mommy they give 5,000. Man pikin 10,000. Now so the story be there. So when if they contribute that money, they give am for Spirito, for that colonel wey keep am for there. That colonel now they take am to give someone to go Spirito. So they when that be run tire life say no when army come, they know they ever get bullet. They get bullet for shoot goat, shoot fowl, threaten people. That boy they rape people that picking inside bike can get them. So they use the vex. Bike in a place where they use the big gallant, the vex. The host they no want am for their village. They call you come up and they beg we. At the present, the people by the smart they know that they talk. They beg we talk all can talk say the goof for here, the one that ribbons, no one sawana, blah blah blah. So they organize me to speak it to come up. They talk all the people say no one am for that village. Say because say the one amber, the one ribbons, you know one as a one when I spirito. We don't contribute millions against spirito, the whole chop buy cookie village for just a village if you contribute man begin 10,000. Woman provide contribute more than 40 million. Now very big village buy no get no one foul, no one goat, that will run chop and off into it. And they know what the people I say go for their magazine, say they rise for up people they contribute money, give them for them to buy rice, but they be incompetent for do to the one and not go stand for army, where army they can't ever get bullet. Now we talk about side, now we knock every day, in the year out. So now when that thing be happen also, that thing can happen. They can tell all the things, don't come and say, why all things happen? So they make a become money. They say, no, everything happen. So if the people that for that area be suffer, they want because they be accept them, they contribute money, give the boy them. And the bitter truth that way there, millions upon millions, 40 million. See, when I see how the boy they stupid, they contribute 40 million, give one human being only for one village. Not talk of all the rest village, how much? When Mr. Spirito for that very year, because it be contribute money close to 100 million. Cash, it be small. It can go Nigeria. But you know what? The Spirito don't make too much. It chop 100 million. Now I want to ask na Amber brother, ask the Spirito that money there. Una ask una ancestors that money there. It buy waiting. You say, Papa, food no day, oil no day. Are you not a fool? It means you get for your account or it be house. That's a bitter truth. Then I want to ask some people there, who the fool who now, who the fight for who. I speak the truth. Amazon not like truth. We're gonna be terrorists them. And then they work for Cameroon government. But I tell the simple truth which they I know the thing why I talk about. When the thing don't happen, so the people they will look at it, they work out come away. So now this boy them buffer, other boys say they wipe them. So now them 9 they compromise 8. One man will run with small kunku down, so they go after they go for road if finish. So the kunku down also. Now don't understand. Now 9 automatically compromise them. So when that play be there, I call Ufa like a brother. I advise all them. Even make what I been needing for do now for give the intel for the security. Yes, me I thought the bitter truth, they hide them for tell now. Because I realize wait, as a people for that community, they destroy the community, peace no day. We need to give the intel for the military work or they go compromise the food and not wrong. And that intel be given by who na country people them because I be pressed on a share button. When I be there later, I say the strategy, the military strategy for stop Amazon terrorism on ground zero. Una go watch about and go see I'm type and so I got right now. So when I be press that share button, it reach I talk now so the Cameroon secret agent police will listen to me now presently. The tap information. That's the bitter truth. They cannot avoid. Oh yes, because they are free of charge. Let's ask them money. Because the work for help our people. When that thing be come out, I gear out. The minute they for the one go small below. I tell them say there are people are willing to work. You need to put them in little wages. Oh yes, civilian they on ground where they want to work, and the expert they on ground where they want to work. And maybe I tell them very well, Spirito. I give you a few time. Either you run go Nigeria, not ever come back for the country the rest of your life, or you surrender, or we'll drop you down. Maybe I tell you, any military man, any colonel, any general, you want credit mission Spirito, maybe message me. My number is 681 60 26 76. I will give you somebody, or even myself. I will give you all details, people you work with. Ukukumai Spirito, now small boy. So we give that intel, and all the black lady give that intel. When the one pass, you don't get a military go. Successful mission, wipe all them, no one no shake. When you don't have privilege, that village don't get peace automatically. Now, it don't transform for the amber terrorists that here and say that village be insecure for them to carry out their atrocities because they way they pass for the to go wipe them. They don't know say that area get enough black leg. That area no want them. So it don't bring peace automatically for that area. So now so all una need for work for liberate una self from terrorism or una remove perpetual suffering. And I see them mommy they cry. Una be very stupid that mommy them. Because time when me I be tell una say una job una pikin una tell una pikin make they leave this thing una be make cancan noise. First time today I tell you for like a brother who for daddy or say tell me daddy or papa I dey so I say okay who for I see me and then I tell now if I tell Amber boy say drop drop they drop it. Me I tell her the bitter truth and then the beg man when I advise you no one advice as I tell you now I don't need to give that the intel they finish with you. That is what I'm doing. And that's what I didn't hide them. I can't like I told her I do that strategy now. When I say all that strategy the way me I talk, so I'm they don't quiet. They tap the information, they digest them, they work on it, then they do small fact finding, then we add to one behind the scene. They go clean the mess. So you and no one to do for see, I tell her something. They say any house, any young house when they inside, people don't consider them in a house. You need to check sense. Any pikin dey hold that gun for that boy na for your own risk. Mommy, papa, your pikin dey na for your own risk. That is the bitter truth. Oh yes, that is the bitter truth. Save your pikin alive because no independent no dey. Ask yourself a question: why this food no fit come for ground here? It is true we the Anglophone we get our only two problem before they can hijack them. But we're supposed to ask ourselves which thing wey Amber don't ever give up. I want to talk digest small. When I talk of DDR, ambassador terrorism diaspora, all una support ambassador terrorism. When we pikin dem dey fight for una, they lay their life for una, give them wetin. No, they go DDR center, I don't give them wetin. Una dey instead turn for sabotage the pikin dem again on top. For make the government look like some bad pikin dem. For make the world look at pikin dem. The pikin dem be bad pikin dem because una push them for the world. But when people listen to me, that pikin dey hold that gun live DDR center. Now una put them for that place because wetin. Now una be tell them say na fighting for carry gun. Yes, those na dey be protest. So when the people don't come out now, normal don't get their senses. So the kid on a bad they accept peace. Una need for encourage them. Una need for show them more love and concern because wetin, this pikin dey lay their life for una. If you work, they will be happy. Despite the fact that they mislead them, it was a bad approach. That is why only alone any pikin wey surrender, una need to appreciate that pikin because it's not easy. Me, I ask you a question: if you fight army, you shoot army every day, you can't surrender for that very army. It's easy. No be na granite, no be na biscuit, na that fear the kid that pikin dey remove for bush. So no na any kind of man dey surrender. So una see any pikin don't give up, una need to appreciate am. Una ambassador terrorism, wetin una don do for the pikin dem? Una don frustrate their life, send am for bush make they go die. The pikin they don't get their sense, they come back. President Pobia take the hand of peace. Give them amnesty for reintegrate them. The government not send the pikin for bush. This part government be doing own part for push them for bush. Yes, because they need be fit for give communication because lack of communication push the pikin for bush. The government knows say if don't do mistake, that is why it create DDR at the first place. For say waiting, the pikin will realize themselves if he come out back personally. That is the bitter truth. Because I tell you no, if the communication not there, is a dead government. That's the simple truth. That's why I ever make it every day say Cameroon government be weak in communication. That is their weakness. Now, I say if any small thing happen, they tell you they can on Facebook, pass information, investigate on citizens them. That is the strategy that they use. The same strategy they use for radicalized speaking, they put out bush. That the same strategy they to use them back or remove them out of that bush. That is the bitter truth. Yes. When they do action, they do activism, they are more impact pass you. So I thank you very much. That is the bitter truth. And we all will know so much fire. My phone don't come back. I will see me time and again and again and again and again. Oh yeah, we will destroy, we don't defeat. Only they are talk, we don't defeat ambassador terrorism. Now, anything talk and say wait, when they put President Pobia, they put Ekome Sako, he go shoot, he get one bullet, he go first shoot Ekome Sako, he leave President Pobia. Where it means say wait, who be their enemy? They fight for who? Oh yes. Ayubacho, you talk and say Amabone are petty criminals. Not true. Let me talk am. Tell me talk, don't say wait, Clovis, don't pay you money, don't give you this because waiting. No, don't like truth because na stupid. But 009 all for Nigeria, all for that bush Gabonese, all na spiritual. Matona. At the council time will do Operation Sunshine any day of now announce am. For sure people they sell bullets, people both drive at them, how periodic stories at the height, their name, their face, everything at the camp any day. But I want to pass on Issa. You don't run. All that the suffer now. All commercial record. All wrong with this. I'm there for journey. Una pay take go wrong go Nigeria. It cannot go. The answer na no. It is chop. It is not better comfortable. Look at how una do so. How una do so. That million dey for your account na your account. No, it don't go Nigeria now. Also una dey for bush. So they chop una every day. They carry dirty come dey work. My brother there. Una save una life. Oh yes. It go neither for the Nigeria. The woman in Nigeria. It go enjoy woman now fine. Chop better, chop them, drive comfortable motor. The cheapest motor that get out of your house, now 1 million naira, 3 million naira, 3 million francs CFA. But then how much? It get motor there for a door. It get hotels, it get access to Nigeria. If he can come back and Langatot for money, because he don't invest. He's a wise man, big time criminal. So I thank you very much. I know I'm gonna like on time very well. I say the countryman like talk. So that's why I don't stay for car now. I don't say my phone be get problem. I look at the texture for the camera, it's different. I understand I like looking at the world because that other phone they disturb me. So my countryman don't get a new phone back. We will continue match our fire as a bitter truth. So I thank you very much for your time, for everything. I thank all the people. I thank all the Prime Minister for even get here to our problem or which way happen, despite the fact say go block road. For that we apologize. But you know, say picking they need sense every day. So that is it. We're not check them anyhow. Yeah, that's a bitter truth. So I thank you very much. At time in time, I got tell the advantage will be an Amber boy and disadvantage. Because advantage that's a bitter truth. So we will talk time and again now. So We thank the head of state, President Pobia, for his good work, which will happen. And even though they win our country, Cameroon, and you see most of the terrorists, they cry, they holler, they don't win Cameroon. Even the best team there for the world, they win them. They didn't win Barcelona. They didn't win Real Magic. So Cameroon are the first. And if I feel Morocco can't do independent, some big food, everybody. I don't know how to come out. And I want to ask you something. Paul, before I forget one. Cameroon be spoiled now only 2016. It's a question I want to ask you. Cameroon be spoiled now 2016. 2000 they be born you. So the 2006, so that be there. Why they carry gun fight the Cameroon government? When I be know the Cameroon government no fine. Now 2016 I want to ask that question on the terrorism for diaspora. And I'm about to ask the question and ask the question. Cameroon be spoiled. Marginalization be there now only 2016 or brought them before they were born them. They go all their school now for Cameroon here. They get Cameroon passport, they get Cameroon visa. Oh yes. The document they will use and seek asylum na Cameroon document. Ask them say why they be born that certificate them? Why they be stop for say no go school? Maybe she don't for us. Why they be boycott? Why they be start fight? Why all them these Ayubacho them these ex-convict them? Now only today when the thing end. The only thing they use as say waiting. They the only struggle for say waiting. Una be stupid for use una for ground for seek their way out because waiting. Those boys, those people, as they be ex-convict, they don't exile themselves from Cameroon. They run Ekodiman, a person come and run for prison, and Ayubacho prisoner, all them. So the only way they can succeed to come out for this country, now for get that ambassador, where ambassador will ever happen. By who will get that ambassador? You, the stupid boy, where you hold that gun, where you know will ever happen. That's a bitter truth. They look now for their way to come in. My brother don't tell us say wait, una feel no life come out for Cameroon. They like them, but how they go do? They more investigate someone that go die every day. That is the bitter truth. Ask yourself, Papa, the Cameroon is spoiled now 2016. My brother, they don't over brainwash me. I come up to tell you like your brother. We listen to you very well. Like somebody with a good heart for you. Save your life, get your amnesty, and live a good life. The government will give you everything. The people will accept you back. That is the listen. Take the song like prodigal son for Bible. It can be take it back. You understand yourself is very normal. So me I ask, I believe say you porn along, you don't get the information, and I don't use your word for educate my people, for tell them say because it's small picking. If you come for activism, I pass you. For everything, I pass you. You run a taxi. I'm not even talking, I'm going to repeat them again. So you be small boy. So I don't put a sense for now. I ask them that question. So I thank una very much. I thank all the black ladies for na share button. I don't press them. I thank Igwe, the king of all the black leg. That is my father. I will ever die for respect him because he's a man of good faith. Yes. Amanda way, he get a very good faith and a very good future for this country. That alone I respect him. No, be na fool or no, they carry gun, gear for picking and say, may they go buy, may they go buy gun, may they go die. When they die, they forget about them. Oh yes, if me I die today, at least people will go miss me. They go respect me. Say, oh, this boy don't create some impact. I will never be forgotten. You like Amber Boy. If the Amber Boy died today, asset, I don't ever forget it. Go get amnesty. They go respect you. That is why only that demonstration shows some big evidence. Those boys are being treated with care. That's a bitter truth. They respect them because if we brutalize them. Who be you, Amber Boy, if you go lock road? Ask yourself that question. You be who? But she don't quite because if you touch it, there's a consequence for touching person don't surrender. Oh yes. I said Peter yesterday. The only problem that the process of reintegration where is slow. That is a problem where it be worried because that's a simple truth. They begin to show waiting. And secondly, again, they show waiting. The one contribute for their own development for their country because they don't spoil the country. They don't cost many things them. They don't destroy things them. So they tell the one start work for the pay tax. For the pay of Cameroon, they want the work for that they will pay tax to Cameroon government so that the Cameroon government will use that tax for build the country because those boys integrate them for contribute for their own way of the building of the country through their tax by indirect tax or direct tax they will pay. When they want to, they will pay their taxes. Oh yes, they will contribute for the development of this country. So that alone shows way they picking the one for contribute for the development of this country. So you like fool, we're not turn for their own hunger strike. Which hunger? Put the chop. Can't enjoy for the one job. The only process people again only the reintegration for the way it be slow. And naturally, I don't want to tell the government say wait. When they disarm, the process of reintegration must follow very fast because the duration of time is too much. That is my advice. Like a young man, we are the foresee and wait till we are the talk about the everyday of bush. Because and then as one they call me this 90s. I be small boy. So I thank you very much. May God bless you. Una press on the share button. I appreciate all the blacklists for all the good work. I don't come back on live again. I will see me time and again and again. Igwe, they pay their place they up. When I told you Igwe don't give me waiting, my shoulder now, excuse me. My shoulder something. The player say today I don't be weather matiko. When I say am, say am. They come I don't give you waiting. So it's your them. See me fool. See am stand final ground. You know. The game don't change. Una look for another job. Me advise on the diaspora, look for another job. So I thank una ma press. May God bless you now. We'll end the live broadcast. So we'll see some other time again. Thank you very much.